Hey everyone, welcome to this quick Webflow tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to show you an easy way to build an advanced FAQ accordion in Webflow using a small piece of custom code. This accordion is different from the regular one because it only allows one item to stay open at a time. So when you click a new FAQ, it automatically closes all the others. It's super clean and easy to set up. No custom Webflow interactions needed. The reason I prefer this approach over building everything with Webflow interactions is because it's a lot simpler and more scalable. Normally, with interactions, you would have to create multiple animations for every FAQ item, and that gets messy really quick if you have a long list. With this method, all the logic is handled by one small script. It makes the accordion easier to manage and it also feels more polished. The open and close animations run smoothly and the icon automatically rotates without you having to set up extra triggers. So overall, it saves time, it's cleaner, and it gives you that professional feel. In step 1, you have to structure your div like this. Add a div and give it a class of FAQ item. Inside of this div, you would have two divs, one FAQ question and the other FAQ answer. FAQ question and FAQ answer. Inside the FAQ question, you would have two elements. One, your text block that will carry the FAQ question, and two, your FAQ icon. So this FAQ icon can be an image. All you have to do is give it a class of FAQ icon. So I am going to style this FAQ question now. You can style yours however you like. Now I am going to give my FAQ icon a width of 24 pixels. That is done for the FAQ question. In my FAQ answer, I am going to add a paragraph block. You can style your FAQ answer however you want. I am going to give mine a left border of 1 pixel. And I am going to give it a color. Now I am going to give it a padding of 8 pixels. Or we can change that to 12 pixels. In my paragraph element, I am going to give it a margin of 12 pixels so it have distance between the paragraph and the text block for the question. Now let us style our FAQ item. I'm going to give it an all-round padding of 8 pixels. First of all, let me give it a background color. and let me give it a border radius of 24. Remember, you can style your FAQ item however you want. It doesn't affect the script. For the script, all you need to do to make it work is have your FAQ item, your FAQ question, your FAQ icon, and your FAQ answer. Name them exactly as it is in the script, and it's going to work perfectly. So let's change the all-round padding to 16 pixels at the top and a left and right padding of 24 pixels. Yes, this is good. Now let us add our FAQ icon. Let's duplicate this a couple of times and let me reduce the gap spacing here. So this is all you need to set up your accordion. Now let's go ahead and add the script. So for the script, I am going to add a code embed element and paste the script inside of it. Remember, you can get this script with the link in the description. And we want to hide our code embed element because we don't want it taking up space in the live site. So we are going to give it a display of none. And that is all we need. Our FAQ accordion is set. On our FAQ item, we want to change the cursor to pointer and publish so that whenever the cursor is over the FAQ item, it changes and lets the user know that they can click on the FAQ item. So that is it, an advanced FAQ accordion inside of Webflow. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more quick Webflow tips, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching.